Economist Kelvin Chisanga says the recent reduction in fuel prices, coupled with the stabilizing kwacha and improved macroeconomic indicators, signals a strengthening economic outlook for Zambia. He notes that the decline in fuel and diesel prices is easing production and transportation costs, which will likely translate into broader economic relief for both consumers and businesses. Mr. Chisanga highlights that the country's fiscal position is improving due to seasonal tax inflows, which are enhancing government liquidity and supporting national development programs. He adds that the current global environment, particularly the weakening of the US dollar, has created favorable external conditions that ease pressure on the exchange rate, giving the kwacha room to appreciate.
Factors that are actually bringing this positive development on the kwacha: one, the seasonal tax inflows; then two, the dividend payout, which basically we know that it came in the form of about $150 million from first quarter. And again, also the aspect to do with the weaker dollar, weaker import drive also, which is also coming from an aspect of having high crop yield, where we're speaking of bumper harvests in the local market. Then the aspect to do with the different other combination that can also be spoken from there. The disciplined monetary policy stance also is complementing, which is also coupled with the cheaper diesel on the market. So all these are basically complementing the strong factor. But again, what we see also coming out from there is that we've seen some good elements of appreciation, which is now talking of 2.4% as from yesterday to this morning. This signifies to say that there is a strong element which also can speak to say that the barometer of financial health is speaking from that perspective of hard currency inflows in the market. And what we see playing out is that we are going to now, next week, we're going to have a combination of mid-year tax payment and also a monthly tax payment obligation from the month of June, which means the kwacha is still gaining that line of bullish tone. Meaning what we should be able to see at the end of it is that we'll continuously see this movement positively taking this direction.
A consortium of civil society organizations has described the proposed amendments in Bill 7 of 2024 as regressive and not in the best interest of the country. The organization